Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm premium unboxing. The box is like super big and I can't really fit it in the screen, so I'm not going to hold it up again. So I know you're probably looking at this makeup look like, hello, we just seen your Boxycharm base box with this look. But yeah, because I just shut my camera off for that video. But you know what? A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, okay? So today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium, and there are some things in this box. It's just a whole bunch of drama. So I really don't want to keep on rambling in the intro because we are going to be talking throughout this video, especially when I get to one certain item. But let's jump into the unboxing so I can show you everything I got, show you what I'm excited for, and show you what I could have done without. If you're new here, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria and I'm so grateful that you decided to click this video. And if you happen to like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you happen to like me and want to see me on your news feed, then definitely click that subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube can notify you every single time I upload. And now let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so the Boxycharm Premium is a bigger box. Now, I recently just found out that now the Boxycharm Premium is going to have blue inside, while the base box is going to have red inside. And I didn't even notice that before, but hey, it is what it is. And I think the Boxycharm Luxe has black inside, but I don't know. It's been a while. Okay, so for this Boxycharm, I actually did get a card. So if you watch my other Boxycharm unboxing, then you know that I did not get a card. I basically just got an email, which I was kind of annoyed because I have gotten into the routine of not looking at sneak peeks. And I really didn't know everything that I was getting besides the one that I picked. And then I got the email before I got my box. So of course I was nosy and I saw everything that I was getting before I even got it. So as I said, this has just the information of the pop-ups, upgrade to March Luxe. I guess this is some things that you're going to be getting for Boxy Luxe or whatever. And then the prices and all of that. I have variation number 22. And for my base box, I think I have 44. So the first thing I got in my box, I believe this is from Kors. And this is the Guava Body Butter. So this retails for $32. This is really, really big. Like, really, really huge. It's really, really heavy. But $32, I would not pay for it. Now, I did show on my Instagram story that I do have this small one that I got from FabFunFit, and I still haven't even used it. So I took this one out so that way I could get some use out of it. Like I said, it does smell good. It does leave, like, I just put some on my hands before I started to film, and my hands feel really, really smooth. But I am going to put this away until I finish that one because I could see myself using it. I just can't see myself paying $32 for it. So the next item I got in the box is this Tarte Cosmetics Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This retails for $32. Hold on. No, this retails for $30. I'm sorry. And it is just basically a primer. Now, what is the shelf life? So the shelf life is 6 months, so I'm not going to open it right now. Maybe I'll open it in a video. I did have a sample. I actually still have a little bit of this primer from Ipsy, and I really do enjoy it. I do have other hydrating primers. I know the smart thing to do is put it in a giveaway, but I'm kind of stingy, so I'm probably going to keep it aside. Who knows, maybe it will pop up in a giveaway, but I really like this primer, so I think I'm going to hold on to it. So here's an item that I was really excited about. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and I feel like we got something last month in the premium as well from Glow Recipe. It was like the watermelon sleeping mask. This is what it looks like. It smells so amazing. It is a spray. I haven't used it yet, but it really, really does smell so good. So this retails for $28. I haven't tried it yet, but I look forward to trying it just because I feel like it's really not that much in here. So I hope that it's like a really, really fine mist where not a lot comes out, because $28 for this small little tube, and then if it all comes out so fast, it's like, it's gonna go by so quick. I don't know. Let's see if I like it enough to repurchase it. Like I said, I'm kind of cheap when it comes to certain things. So we shall see. Alright, so I really want to end this video on a positive note. So the one item that is causing so much drama, especially with Boxycharm, and a lot of people have questions and are wondering, I'm just going to get out the way. It is basically this 24K gold foil moisturizer. This is from the brand Fakia, whatever it is. Basically, Boxycharm says that this moisturizer retails for $100. Now, I did hear something mentioned because there was no website for this brand. It was basically like a brand new brand that built the website the same day that the spoilers got leaked, right? But since I got this, and I did show that I got this on my Instagram story, somebody sent me a YouTube video basically saying that this is the same thing as like, I don't even know the name. I will leave all the information in that video down below, but it is basically the same of something that costs $1.55. And I don't know. I mean, I'm just a little bit annoyed. I see a couple people saying that this is not safe. I don't know if it's because they see the gold foil and gold is not good for you. I don't know exactly what it is. I'm not going to lie. At first, I was really happy about getting this in my box because I just felt like it was $100. I only paid $38 for the box. I felt bougie. Like, I felt like, you know, and it has gold foil. But now hearing all this drama about, you know, it being $1.55, it just disappoints me. And I feel like for the past 3 months, Boxycharm has been more in the drama because of the fact that last month for the Boxycharm Premium, a lot of people was upset because the $1 billion brow kit was in TJ Maxx for $5 and they had it on the card for $40. And it just feels like that whenever they need like filler items just to throw in, they go with the really cheap ones. Now, I don't mind it because of the fact that I'm getting so much good stuff for the price. I mean, of course, they're going to throw in some cheap stuff. But it just is very disappointing because I'm just hearing so much more about it. Like, I think for the month of December, you heard about the blushes from Cilante London being fake. And things like that. And it had mica. I think it's mica in it, and Cilante London doesn't use that on their blush, and someone called them out. And then also someone on Instagram, she also told me that the brand Storybook Cosmetics, someone had said something about that they were forced to use very cheap ingredients from China just so that they can make all of it from Boxycharm. So it's just a little confusing to me. I will leave everything in the description box because it is getting late and I can sit here and talk for hours, but I will leave everything in the description box that people have mentioned to me. If there's an article, if there's like proof of it, I will leave it down below. It's just very discouraging because it sucks. Like, you know, you pay and you're thinking you're getting such a great deal, but what if these brands really are just going and buying the cheapest ingredients possible just to make, you know, their product in a box, like, you know? But who knows? I don't know. I honestly don't even think I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I wanted to use it, but I think I'm gonna just see if one of my friends want it and call it a day. Alright, so we have 2 more items, and I'm so happy that I left these 2 items for last because I just want to end on a positive note. I could have kept rambling, but it's really getting late. So like I said, I will leave everything in the description box. As I was watching unboxings, I seen a couple people get this item, and I was just like, oh my god, I hope I get it because I never bought one on my own. So it is the Hourglass Ambient Light Blush, and I got the shade Diffuse Heat. Now this blush retails for $40 and I was not going to pay no $40. I was not. So I did purchase from Hourglass 1 time, no, 2 times. But the second time I purchased a couple items and I got it from IMAT. So of course it was a sale, and even with that sale it came up to about $200. So I'm really excited that I got this blush in my Boxycharm because I'm going to give it a try. So I'm definitely going to keep this one to test out in a new face, full face new makeup, because I really want to see what the hype is about. Everyone loves these, well, not everyone, but a lot of YouTubers that I watch love these blushes, and I just want to see what, what's the hype about. And the last item I'm really excited for, because Christina Chang always brags about this palette, and to the point that I was almost going to get it, and then I talked myself out of it because I know I have shades like this in my collection. But I am happy that I got this in my Boxycharm. So at first I thought that they picked it for me, but then I remembered I picked it myself because it was between this or like a curling iron, and they already gave me hair tools already from their Boxy Luxe, which they're really good with giving like hair tools and skincare and things like that. But it is the Picante Clarity palette. This is what the palette looks like. It looks really, really beautiful. I know I have these shades already. Most of these shades are probably in the Jaclyn Hill first palette, but Christina just speaks so highly about this palette, and I definitely want to give it a try. I do have one other palette from Clarity, but I haven't used it yet. If you want to see a makeup look with this palette, definitely let me know. And this does retail for $29. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm going to leave the total amount of my box on the screen just because I really don't feel like adding anything up right now. It's about to be 3 o'clock in the morning, and I just want to watch something with Ivan because we're gonna stay up late knowing the kids are going to wake up at the crack of dawn and we're gonna regret staying up late. But we do this every single weekend. So I just want to end this video with a thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.